There are many iPhone users reported that their iPhone vibration had stopped working. This issue made them miss some important call or notification. For the reasons why is my vibration not working on my iPhone, the most likely reasons are you did some wrong settings or your iOS system glitches. Anyway, in this video, we will let you know how to fix vibrate on iPhone not working issue. Solution 1. Enable vibration. At the first, check if you enabled vibration feature. Go to settings, select sounds and amp, haptics, make sure that vibrate to ring is enabled. Solution 2. Check vibration pattern. The vibration pattern determines how iPhone vibrates, make sure that your vibration pattern is not none. Solution 3. Check accessibility settings. You can also enable vibration and accessibility. Go to settings, select accessibility, select touch under physical and motor, and then scroll down and toggle on vibration. Solution 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Make sure that the Do Not Disturb feature is turned off, as the Do Not Disturb feature would silence your iPhone completely. Solution 5. Restart iPhone. Restart iPhone would help us fix some software glitches. You can try to restart iPhone to see if the issue fixed. Solution 6. Update iOS. Sometimes vibration issues on iPhone can be caused by a bad iOS update or installation error. You can try to update iOS to see if the issue fixed as well. Solution 7. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery. If the issue is still not resolved after you tried above methods, you can use Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery tool, which can help you fix vibrate not working on iPhone issue without any data loss. Moreover, it can help you fix other 150 common iOS issues like iPhone stucco and black or white screen. Anyway, now let me show you how to fix iPhone vibration not working issue with Joyoshare UltFix. Firstly, launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Put your iPhone in recovery or DFU mode, and connect it with computer. Select iOS system repair option to proceed, and then click start button. Select the standard mode, to repair iPhone vibration not working issue. In this way, there is no data loss. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the Start Standard Repair button to fix your vibration not working on iPhone issue. A few minutes later, your iPhone will restart and come back to the normal. Solution 8. Reset iPhone. Resetting your iPhone is the last way we recommend to fix iPhone vibrate not working. This method would erase all of your iPhone data. Make sure you already back up your iPhone data before take action to reset iPhone.